bẹ̀rẹ̀ àtúntò bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Torí pé gbogbo wa ló bí òun máa ló lòdì gan. Àkúnlẹ̀yọ̀ sóhun làdáyébá. Tọ́kẹ́lẹ́ ayé ẹja ìṣọ̀nà òkú. Òun kì í là inú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ẹja ti ya iṣẹ́ ní ayé wéréwéré. Ẹja tó gẹ̀dẹ̀ ó lè jẹ́ yí lọ́rùn. Ẹja ti sọ̀nà ọ̀pẹ̀ o. Ọ̀pẹ ní so èkùrọ́ orí àpọ̀, èkùrọ́ orí àpọ̀, àpọ̀ òun yẹ kóróró. Àkọ́kọ́ dáyé nìyẹn ti dáwé ọlá, àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dáyé nìyẹn ti dáwé àtọ̀hún. Kòkòkò làádọ́ nílé àárọ̀.
The Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwasi, and his wife, Olori Naomi, have welcomed a son. Hello my people, I greet you all. Welcome to Marigold TV. I beg, if today na your first time to watch or listen to my audio, make you not forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you who don't already subscribe to this my channel, thank you so much. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you never see subscribe, kindly do so, because in this channel I dey bring latest updates, current news, ogbonge matter as it just dey happen. Like this one now where I bring come for na table, my people. I want make all of us rejoice with Oni of Ife. Make we wish am a big congratulations, as the news just the thread now for social media say Oni of Ife wife just newly put to bed, and she put to bed the baby is a prince. For some of una wey no get to know much about Olori Naomi, which is the Oni of Ife wife, she got married 2018. She and her husband Oni of Ife land. Ever since when she got married, it can be like say many people now know as this social media people they be now. People come they wait for her, say it don't reach the time where she go take put to bed to wait till she still they wait for. From there, rumor come see they go on say Olori Naomi and her husband Oni of Ife, they not dey together again, just because of say she not come out for social media that much, because she na prophetess. Most of the time she dey come out. So as the rumor come dey go during that time, now she come out, come clear the hair, say because of this lockdown, this COVID-19, we can make many people come dey slow down a little bit for what they do. Now she say now because of that one, due to the way things be, now I make her just kind of go out of social media. So before Oni of Ife actually get married to Olori Naomi, he don't first marry 2 wives before, but fortunately those ones no born for Oni of Ife. So that by the time we can't get married to this very one now, people come they count years they follow am. Una know our country people now. Sometimes you will get yourself, you know, go the reason some kind things what that people go the reason about you. Now they come begin, come they carry the rumor, they go, come they want to see when Olori Naomi go take put to bed now. So meanwhile, Oni of Ife don't first get one daughter before. That's a daughter. Now during the time where the king was the age of 19 years, now they say it's a born that that is a daughter, be that is daughter. So right now, when they don't come, they see Olori Naomi all the time for social media, people come to say maybe you not there together again with Oni of Ife. Before we come, they hear this latest update. Now this Coco come out say Oni of Ife wife just newly put to bed, and the baby was a boy. My people, I beg, more we congratulate this very beautiful lady, because she have come through a long way for the talk for different rumor where people they carry about her. Even now, before she can't even put to bed, as they take talk, because now inside social media now I see this update where I carry come for now. So so many people not even get to come they see how much. So it can't be like say she just go out of social media so that by the time she go take put to bed, it go be so surprising to the eyes of other people. So my people, I am so very very happy for this very lady, because so many people wey don dey carry rumor about this very Olori Naomi. Hey, my goodness. My people, many of una wey dey follow up the update, una go know say this woman hear we for the kind of rumor wey dem come dey spread about her. Today dem go say she and Oni of Ife, oh, dem no dey together again. Tomorrow dem go still bring another one, different type of rumor. But today now, people wey dey talk say, oh, wetin Olori Naomi still dey wait for, why she never see born for Oni of Ife. Right now, they go don tire now, say God don finally answer our prayer. I so much pray make it be say, make this one not come still be rumor again, because most of the time, anything we get to do with Oni of Ife and his wife, now so rumor all they be. But this one, I pray is not going to be a rumor. If you see happen, say they still carry the rumor, say this woman, she don't put to bed so that she born baby boy, which is praise. At the end of the day, it's going to be something that is sweet, that we see happen. Either this na rumor now, because if they get some kind rumor where person go spread about you, where go be say last it go come bring something positive to you. So anyhow it be, my people, at least more we see congratulate her. I so much believe that definitely maybe she actually put to bed, because for a while now she not really there for social media that much. Now know as they be now, most especially as a whole matter they be every day. This one go talk, tomorrow the other one go talk. Maybe now just make her just decide to just keep her pregnancy until she finally put to bed. I am so very very happy for her, for her husband, as they take welcome a new prince in the throne of Ife land. So my country people, as I come across this very update now, I say make I see bring am come for now, because this one are good news. If person see good news like this, if they good, make we see they share am. As I dey talk most of the time, wetin dey always dey happen for our country Nigeria. Now most all those kind of news wey you no even want to dey hear. If person see something like this, you don't even need to waste time to bring it to your people. So now it make me bring am come for now. For those of now we never see here, make una see congratulate Oni of Ife and his wife as they welcome their new prince in the throne. So my people, what you think? Drop your comments. If you see fit say maybe this one where I bring come for now, so say maybe na rumor is still be, drop your comment, but don't forget, congratulate them. Either na rumor, it not be rumor, congratulate them, so that at the end of the day, this rumor wey they don't they carry about this very Olori Naomi, you go see end up say this one go be the one wey go manifest. If she don't actually put to bed, congratulations to her. If you see her put to be saying a rumor, congratulations to her and her husband in advance. So anyway, my people, thank you very much. Don't forget to congratulate and press the like button. See you in my next update.